We could say that in order for pure, transparent, empty awareness to know something other than itself, it has to vibrate within itself and take the shape of what we call mind. As the mind, and I mean mind in the broadest sense of the word, thinking, sensing and perceiving, as the mind, awareness can appear as thinking, sensing, perceiving, in the same way that the transparent screen can vibrate within itself and appear as the image. So although the image is made only out of the screen, it appears to be something different from the screen. So it is pure awareness that vibrates within itself and, as it were, takes the shape of thinking, sensing and perceiving. Now, that activity of thinking can then take one of the objects that are perceived and identify awareness with that object. So sensing and perceiving arises, all intimately one with the screen. And then thinking arises and can extract one object, called the body, out of this seamless intimacy of sensing and perceiving and say, awareness is identical to that body. Now, at that moment, sensing and perceiving are no longer totally intimate with awareness. It seems that awareness contracts into the body and becomes a separate mind. And we then have to give another name for everything that is not this separate mind, and that becomes matter. That's how mind and matter, a separate mind and stuff called matter, are co-created with this belief that awareness is identical to the body. So it's not either mind or matter. Mind and matter are two sides of the same belief, and the belief arises when awareness seems to turn its back on itself by rising as the mind, identifying itself with an object, and therefore seeming to cease being this infinite, all-pervasive awareness and instead becoming a separate self inside the body.